B plus K Architects has been established by a young duo of architects, architect Bhavesh Patel and architect Kruti Galia, and is flourishing dynamically. We believe in experimenting with different paradigms of architecture and always show courage in pushing the boundaries of design higher with every project. The house was to be designed for a nuclear family. The client's desire was to create a warm and welcoming family home. They sought an ambience that reflected elegance and integrity. The design team visualizes the form and material palette that translated their abstract vision into a tangible reality. Site context was of the utmost importance during the conceptualization stage. It is located in a serene residential area in Surat, with the approach road on one side and houses on the other three sides. It is called for an assured design development. The site is a rectangular plot of 6.25 meter by 12 meter, facing its direction. This orientation has been used to optimize the light and ventilation inside the house. Dhyan House is a project designed for a nuclear family of 3 members. From the exterior, this two-story structure stands with poise and distinction. The elevation was imagined as a break in the monotony of flat cuboidal facades. To achieve this vision, tactful projections and depressions are carved along the linear vertical edges. These are clad in different materials to give each section a different identity. Deep textures afforded by exposed brick and slate stone build the foundation of an earthy material palette, which is followed throughout the residence. The exterior elements like the fabricated staircase are positioned in a way to maximize the light penetration and cross ventilation. Following a pragmatic layout, the ground floor has been used to house a lily pond, a car park, and a guest room with the external staircase entry, creating a segregation between semi-private and private spaces. The first floor has been dedicated to the main living area and kitchen activities, while the bedrooms are on upper floor. The common theme running throughout the designing process was to create unhindered and airy spaces that flow seamlessly, and unrestricted floor plans are formulated by minimizing the use of interior partition walls. This decision led to a layout that optimizes the space usage as well. Further, a vertical connection was also kept permeable and light by introducing a fabricated MS staircase with wooden treads resting solely on a central stringer beam instead of risers. The transparency provided by this staircase helped create a more expansive space, and the light it allowed to pass through illuminates the entire stairway core. This staircase acts as a delicate element which binds the different floors together. The spirit of the house is strongly Indian in character and is expressed by the use of natural and earthy materials like brick, slate stone, and sandstone as a backdrop for wooden furniture. These warm exposed textures and tones in the interior, along with the minimalist furniture, make the spaces inviting and comfortable. The entrance door with lowered screen makes an interesting portal with its wooden body accented by a unique metal handle. Wooden and metal doors and circular jalis allow diffused and regulated natural light to enter while also acting as a screen to ensure security and privacy. Details such as custom spherical handles on the desk, subtle curves added to the railing, and other wooden frames elevate the interior spaces up a notch. The narrow site itself was an interesting challenge. The oblong shape of the site combined with the absence of margins left by the neighbor led us to tailor the layout in a way that would maximizes the light and ventilations from the limited front and rear facades. Instead of allowing the constraints to limit the layout, we decided to use this as one of the parameters to define and shape the design itself. This allowed in conceiving rational and aesthetic spaces and elements. An efficient layout with the use of intricate components and materials, utilization of natural lighting and ventilations, and the vision to create an eloquent home collectively, bringing this striking residence to the life.